Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just got my delivery literally seconds ago of this lot of boxes. This has a bunch of different items in it that we're hoping are all going to be in brand new condition, but that concerns me. So my brand new condition could have just gotten thrown right out the door with the crushed of this box. So it's supposed to be some kind of items that are breakable, and so I really hope that they're not completely demolished. So let's see what we get. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I want to start off on a good note. So we're going to open this box, and then I have no idea what's in this long one, so I want to open this box, and then I will cry at the end of the video when I open this box and see everything demolished. So just cry with me. You can empathize with me. So we're going to open this box and see what kind of goodies we have in here. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video because we will be pricing everything. You will be able to find everything right away on hookedonpickin.com. So you don't even have to wait for me to email you or anything. You can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. And remember, if you order over $100, you get free shipping if you live inside the United States. All right, what do we got in here? Some padding. Okay, so we have got... they're towels, I think. Luxury quality bath mat towels. They're like really, really huge ones, I think. 2-pack. They're 21 by 34 inches. And they're like, it looks like black. So there's two really big towels.
Two right there. It's just blue in the picture, but it's black.
Yeah, these are black, I think. Yeah. So I've got a couple of packages of those. Oh, here's a much better photo. I don't know if the sticker was over the other one. So 2 in each. They're 21 by 34 inches. So they're the bigger ones. All right. Then we have, what is this? Oh, we used to have these. This is I'm going to open one and then we're going to repackage it. But this is a portable urinal. And it's got the attachment for females. So it's a portable urinal. Going on a long trip this summer? Here you go. No,
Not what it's for.
Not what it's for. So there's a lot of people that need these, and being able to offer them at a discounted price is a good thing. So you can go straight to Hooked on Pickin.
They actually sell very quickly.
They do sell very fast. We've sold them very quickly. So we got a couple of those. I'm going to rebag that other one into a better bag. Okay. Oh, it's a nutcracker.
That looks cool.
That is an apparatus right there. That just looks fancy.
That is cool looking.
Doesn't it? So, awesome. Crush some nuts. All right, so we got a bunch of those nutcrackers. Those are neat. Let's see how many I can stack without dropping them. Okay. Some more of the nutcrackers. And even more of the nutcrackers. All right, then we have a little toy. It's a train. Comes with a track and everything. So it looks like it's ages 18 months plus. So you can kind of see the picture there.
Nice
it is a nice little train.
Happy Train Park.
Happy Train Park. So we've got that. What are these? Oh, are these the pink water bottles? Let's see. I want to look. Okay, so these are cool because they come with their own straws. Look at all the extra straws in there. There's 3 straws. And, oh yeah, we were almost sold out of these. Yeah. So you can use this cap or you can swap it for this one that'll have the straw cap in it, which is really handy. Because I love these bottles, but most of these bottles only come with this cap. So I love having the straw option with these bottles. So we have a bunch of those. So you're going to find those right on hookedonpickin.com. They're already there, but we'll price everything at the end. So if you haven't ever seen them before, you'll know what price they are. So a bunch of and they're all that blush pink color. So I'll have to inspect that one. That box looks a little boogered up, but we'll inspect that one to make sure it's in good condition. Okay. What else we got? Sunshine textile blanket. So it's just a little owl blanket. Look at the cute owls on it. It's 30 inches by 40 inches. So it's Sherpa lined on one side and then it's nice soft on the other. So cute little owl blanket. Owls are very popular right now.
Does it say how big it is?
Yeah, 30 inches by 40 inches. It's a big blanket.
Cool.
So yeah, it's a good size blanket. So we got a bunch of those. Those are super cute. Then what else do we have? Oh, more nutcrackers. Nice. Walnut and pecan. All right, question of the day. Pecan or pecan? Or pecan? How do you say it? Where do you put the emphasis or emphasis? All right. Leave it in the comment section below how you say pecan, pecan, or pecan. You know. So, anyway, I just started a controversy, I know. Everybody's going to rant about how to pronounce it. All right. Duvet cover set. Oh, that is pretty. It's kind of a gray duvet cover set. Look how pretty that is.
I think it's a wolf.
Is it?
Say wolf?
Is it a wolf?
I don't know.
I could probably scan this barcode and see a picture. Let me see.
Maybe not.
We'll see. I'll scan the barcode and probably stick the, let's see if we can find the picture. If it doesn't, then maybe I'll look it up.
I thought I ordered at one time some big wolf blanket, but...
Yeah, this order came in and we were like, wait a minute, we should have gotten this one a long time ago. So, let's see. No picture. All right, I'll probably see if I can find the picture.
That's not the one you scan.
What?
You gotta scan the other one. You gotta scan the Amazon tag.
Which one?
See the wolf and the Amazon tag?
This one is covered up by the sticker. I can't. And it's the same number, exact same number.
Is it really?
Yep, is this giant one.
Oh,
yep, so I will see if I can find a picture. I know I have a picture, so I'll probably just pop it up on the screen right now. So, all right. I'm going to hand that back. All right, then we have a furniture protector. It is green, like a hunter green color, and it is for a love seat, 88 inches by 75.5. Here's your, yeah, it's exactly the same one as in the picture. It's that color.
Cool.
So nice quilted furniture protector. Then we have, ooh, these are cool for crafters or if you have jewelry. It's actually 3 different separate ones that can be all snapped together. So we got a couple of these. These go really fast on my site. Yep, we only have 2 right now, so go snatch them up quick if you want them. So they're called Snap Cube storage containers. So that's what you just do, storage containers, and you'll be able to find it on the Hooked on Pickin store. All right, then we have crystal growing kit. I'm going to grow some crystals. Kit includes crystal growing powder, the adventure guide, the real quartz cluster, and an activity booklet. Discover with Dr. Cool's mission. So it's like a whole like mission involved and why the crystal needs to be grown and all that. So we got a couple of those. Those sound really fun. All right, that is it for this giant box. Let's set that over here. Now for the long box. I'm still trying to keep from weeping about the broken box. So what in the world is in this long one? I have no idea. It's not very heavy. Okay. One of these days I'll get inside this box. What is in here? Padding. And what in the... Oh my stars. It's a giant horn. It's like a... Yeah. It's so cool. I almost want to take it out of this bag, but it's in its original packaging. So should I take it out? Because I have another bag. I can rebag it. I don't know. What do you want me to do?
I don't know. It's kosher.
It is.
Cool. It is
so
a shofar horn instrument.
Yep. It is actually an instrument.
Nifty.
Cool. If I find a cool
Does it have
picture.
anything else with it?
It's got... I think that's just... Oh, no, it's got something with it.
I think it has probably what you clean it with.
Or the attachments or something. That is the coolest thing. We need to save this box so we can actually ship it. So, yeah. This thing is awesome. Okay, I'm going to set it where it's not going to fall off because this is the coolest thing I've ever pulled out of a box that I can remember. And I have very short memory, so okay. Breathe. Don't go crazy if it's destroyed. This is bad. I mean, look at it. It's like an accordion.
It looked like it got hit right here.
By like a forklift or something.
Yeah, probably a pallet jack or another pallet hit it here. So
okay.
if it's partially empty, it'll probably be okay.
They do pretty good padding their boxes.
Yeah.
So
It's probably not 888 Lots' fault. Probably
okay.
not.
And it depends on what's in here. As long as
Correct.
nothing is breakable. Okay. So we've got a bath towel. That's a good thing.
We might be okay.
That's not going to be broken. Okay. So we're good so far. All right, what else do we have in here? Okay, so on the crush side, we have one of the urinals. It doesn't feel broken at all.
Yeah, that was up high, too.
Yep.
Probably okay there.
Yep, okay. So we're all right there.
4 parts will got crushed. We need to see what was right there.
Oh, a bath towel.
That is awesome.
Ah, yay. I can do a lot.
Probably even padded the whatever else.
Yeah. So I'm doing a happy dance because it's not broken. Now we're going to kind of go through and see, did it push everything and break still or not? My guess is it was saved by the bath towel because we have another bath towel. So they packed this box well. Here's another urinal, portable urinal, and another bath towel. So whatever is in this middle was protected by lots of bath towels.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so they did a good job with that.
Box to get crushed. This was the one.
Okay, so
What is this?
this says round stoneware dishes. Eesh. Okay, we're gonna look at it.
Get interesting. You want to take it out of the box?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, it weighs a lot. Okay. Let's hope it's not busted up. Okay, so is it a box inside of a box?
I need to cut that tape.
I didn't know if it just lifted out or not. Okay. Is this like a set?
That's actually pretty cool.
Okay, that's
well padded.
Well packed and padded. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the stoneware dishes, just so we don't know what they look like too.
Pull them out too far.
Yeah, I'm gonna just pull, just so we see the design of them. I'd like to see what they actually look like.
Well, we'll throw a picture up too.
Yeah. Oh, that is
Look at
gorgeous.
that. Cool.
It's
What's
like-
the maker?
Alaria?
Don't know.
Something like that. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe.
Pretty plate.
Gorgeous.
Very pretty
Gorgeous.
plate. I think they made it.
I think they did too.
Because this is just padding too.
Yeah, that's just an extra piece of cardboard. I'm just curious. There's a bowl. Oh yeah, there's no chips or nothing on that thing. Yep.
They made it.
Wow. Thank you, bath towels.
That's awesome.
Well padded bath towels. I'm gonna look
That's
at
a
a plate.
pretty good
Yeah.
deal if it can still get crushed in a box.
Yep.
And
So the big plates are all fine too. None broken.
great.
Yep. So we're good. Wow. Of all the things that could be in that box, this is the most terrifying one of everything. And yet it made it because they packed the box well with the bath towels. So I'm super duper. And it was like triple boxed, I feel like, you know. So it was inside this box, and then inside this box, and then inside that box. So, wow. All right, we're going to price everything and come right back. Okay, we've got everything priced. So you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com to find everything. We have got our stoneware dish set, comes with cups and everything too. $44.99 for that. $14.99 for our awesome train set. Our cool horn is going to be kept by Paul. That's why he bought it. It actually is going to be displayed in his office. So I'm sorry if you wanted it, but it's actually going to belong to Paul. We do occasionally keep stuff. All right, then we have the Love Seat sofa cover, $14.99 for that hunter green one. Then we have $14.99 for the snap close storage containers. It's got 30 total compartments, which is awesome, and 3 different layers. $8.99 for this awesome kind of toddler infant blanket. $8.99 is Sherpa lined on the inside for the owl blanket. $9.99 for the Utopia towels. These are nice bath towels, 2 of them, and they're 21 inches by 34 inches, and they're black in color, and we have about 6 of them. Then we have the urinals. They're already available on hookedonpickin.com at $7.99 a piece, which is actually a discounted price from what we used to sell them at. Then this is our amazing queen size wolf duvet cover set. It does come with the pillowcases and everything, so it's a duvet cover with the wolves, really pretty. I showed you a picture of it, $59.99 there. Then $9.99 for the pink straw water bottle. They're $9.99. $8.99 for the crystal growing kit. And then $12.99 for this awesome nutcracker, the really industrial nutcracker. So it's pretty neat. So all of those things can be found on hookedonpickin.com. Hopefully you enjoyed our unboxing. Thankfully, nothing was broken with the chaos of that crushed box, and they did a good job packing stuff. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like all the content. Leave a comment in the comment section below. We do love to read your comments. Right behind me is a pallet that I have already unboxed. It was full of candy. We have candy Valentine's boxes under the Pickin's mystery boxes. They're only $14.99. They are the medium size. So go to the Pickin's mystery box listing on hookedonpickin.com. Go to the Candy Valentine's one and choose the medium one, and you're going to get a ton of candy and some cool activity Valentines in there. And so it's a really great box. You're going to get way more than what you paid for it.